plus 3 equals 10. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Excellent! Whoa!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! 10, 9, 8. Wow! Aha! Yeah! Aha!
Oh no!
Hello?
That's where we wanna be, just you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B,
Wow!
A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
5 minus 2
That's where we wanna be, just you and me. A, B, C, D.
equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Elevator goes down.
Three.
Goes
Woohoo!
up. Who is that I see you there?
Counting French fries.
You should be careful in the elevator.
Let's go.
Don't jump, stand still. It is not safe, baby. Elevator isn't
two,
for games and fun. Elevator might break down. What is that
Fantastic.
round?
Ten. 2 and 8. 8 and 2. 3 and 7. 6 and 4. 9 and 1. 4 and 6. 1 and 9. 7 and 3. 5 and 5. Woo-hoo-hoo!
At the mall is super fun.
Yeah.
Rollerblades on super fast. Hey, wait up.
Oh.
Please come
Oh.
back. Rollerblades are not allowed. There are rules you need to follow when you're at the escalator.
Wow.
If you don't follow the rules, you can hurt yourself or people
Aha.
around you. Safety first. Listen
Yeah.
up.
Good job.
Follow the rules.
Ew.
Aha.
Hey monkey, here I come.
Aha.
Banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, stomp the floor. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, hey yeah. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me.
Hey girl.
Woohoo! Wow.
Hero, 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 hero,
Woohoo!
hero. Hey monkey,
Yeah.
Time for some music.
Oops.
Grab on their mic. La 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 la. This doesn't sound nice. 6, 10. 1, 4, 2. My lovely mouth. I was singing and now it's gone. Help me,
Yes.
me, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Playing with math is so much fun.
1, 2, 3.
Is so much fun. Blue, blue coloring must be my friend. My friend
Aha.
is blue. Bigger blue. Oh no.
Yeah.
What's happening? I'm so sad. My colors are gonna help me out.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Colors, colors of the world. Orange, red, and yellow.
Wow.
At the airport, ready to fly. I want to take my drinks with me in the sky. Airport check, can see everything.
5, 2,
They have a super X-ray machine.
Oh no, no, safety rules. Your drinks are not allowed to go through.
3,
At the airport, ready to fly. My bag is too heavy to fly in the sky. Airport check, can see everything.
7.
The weight you're
Wow.
machine.
Always use a few acorns. What with winter coming?
Done. Let's split up. Cap, you and I will go and plant our magic seeds, while Lilac and Thistle gather acorns at the Great Oak. Oh, Bucky, can you give our friend Ellington some breakfast? We'll be back in a while. Thanks.
Sure. Hiya, Ellington. What would you like to eat? I don't know, Bucky. What have you got?
Oh, it's so unfair. A chipmunk of my standing shouldn't have to eat boring old acorns all winter instead of a hot meal like the lilybuds get.
There's sure plenty of acorns over there.
Hello, girl lilybuds. What brings you to the Great Oak?
Hi, Ellery. We're just coming to get some acorns. They're all gone.
Finders keepers. Anyway, you lilybuds have lots of food. Why do you need acorns?
We promised some in exchange for magic seeds to a chipmunk named Ellington.
Ellington? Unusual name.
Actually, he has the same blue fur as you. Are you related?
I can't keep track of every relative with blue fur. However, since I'm in a generous mood, I'll give you the acorns I gathered if you take me to see this Ellsworth, was it?
Ellington, so where are all your acorns?
Hidden far away. Come along. We'll get them later.
Nothing's happening.
Let's use some of our Lilybud powers to give Ellington seeds a boost. Come on, let's go together. Oh no, Cap. I think we've used up all our magic.
So let's just wait for the seeds to grow. Ellington said it wouldn't take long.
It is rather nice here in the sun.